Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can simply go ahead and set up a Venmo account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further ado, let's get into it. So the first step would be simply for you to open up your Venmo app and make sure you already have an account. Now tap on this of cards. Once you access that particular option, you're going to find this kind of interface, and here you go. You will have this option of a Venmo Teen debit card. Then you will get another interface explaining regarding the Venmo Teen. You can choose to simply rate it accordingly or tap on this option of get started, and now you can simply go ahead, choose to pick your Teen's card. Color, go ahead, choose from the option. Once you are done choosing, tap on the next option, and now you simply have to provide the information of your teen, like their legal first name, legal last name, date of birth, street address, etc., CT, and furthermore. After scrolling down, and once you have provided all of the information accordingly, simply tap on this terms and condition box. Once you have checked that, tap on this done option, and you will be able to successfully apply for the teen debit card of yours for a teen account, and then you're good to go. You will receive a notification regarding its confirmation, and you're good to go. So that's it. That's a process for you. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.